Go ahead, guys. Dump them all out. Dump them all out. Pick up the there you go, that corner. Go on. Shake it all out. There you go.
Whoa,
there you go.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Corn snakes?
No, Texas rat snakes. We'll come back to see them one day.
Bye, little guys.
Be careful, don't step on them.
Hey, this one's coming. Hey, little guy. Hey, look at this one. You want to come and see me? Oh, look at this one. He's like, bye, little friends. Oh, there's one. There's some right there. Go on. Go on. Shoot. Go. Go. I got some. Where is it? Oh, look at these. Over here. Can I touch it? Or should we just...
Say bye, Caleb.
Bye. How about this?